Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another day of this vlog. Um, so today we're not doing much. Today we are strictly writing an assignment. I know I might sound boring already, but today I'm not doing much. This whole weekend I've just been busy with the assignment because I am a fucking procrastinator and now I'm in it for the run. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing an assignment. So my dad gave me Shem Malinyana to buy snacks. So they can keep me company while I do this because I am planning to do this for at least the whole day. Yesterday I woke up at 5:30 and I did it until 10 and then I did laundry and then I think at like 8 to like 9, or no, it was 8 to 10 again. I did it again. So sengiphushile but isaseningi nje. So I'm gonna tidy up. So I'm gonna go call my friend to get the snacks and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna sweep nyana the house because my mom cleaned it, I think yesterday. Saying she kind of cleans, so it's just to tidy nyana and then and do it dog, guys. I'm craving it dog. So my dad has flu. So yesterday he asked me to do it dog el sour for him. And it tasted so nice. So I've been craving it. Been. And the crazy thing is whenever I think of waist training and getting back to like, my proper fitness, I'm not a fitness bunny, but because I wanted to lose weight so bad last year, I ended up being a fitness bunny. So yeah, I went back. So today I pulled up my waist trainer, pulled out my waist trainer. I have forgotten about this Han. I think it's not a year now, but gee, yeah, it's been a while. So I took her out today. So I am wearing it, child. Guys, yeah, about this thing of losing weight and now your things are just. It's not waist training anymore. Karinkai tunganyana somehow. But yeah, I'm just trying to, you know, you get the vibes. You get the vibes. And guys, I stopped eating healthy and basically papa. Don't wanna lie, but I fitted these. These used to be, you know, buzzing again, but now it feels very loose. And I wore this tracksuit of mine in the morning, and I was like, okay, I am eating unhealthy and all of that, but somehow, my body has managed to hold on to the weight for at least like, because I stopped eating healthy, I think in Jan, like where I stopped completely. Because in December I was like, you know, I would remember this week I would balance, take walks, skip. In January, that's when I like completely stopped. February, I tried to get back. March, I stopped because I was like, no, it's my birthday month. I don't want to be strict on myself. I want to relax and all of that. And then life just went a go shit. I forgot about it. So I am trying to get back and try to be a snatched hand. Back from my friend. Go set to Zana, guys. It's really not that far. So I got those. I wanted the barbecue ones, but today not now. But tapas. This is what I wanted the most. I really like them. Got Bio Plus and some fruits. Some fruits. So I am just gonna be drinking this water. I'm not gonna intermittent fast. I'm not gonna be strict like I was last year. I'm just gonna be careful of what I eat, but I'm also gonna enjoy foods. Okay, Olam is already doing the things, you know. So I'm already late, so I decided to take a shortcut. So ngizophuma la kule gate le. Actually indlela ilapha enzansi, but ngizophuma la kuze phela iplan ish angiboni la mini. But ke le ndlela le izosheshe ingifikise laphana esibayeni. I don't know if you can see because I'm late. Ngize ngiyahefuzela guys because I'm trying to walk fast. And angiboni muntu guys. Like literally angiboni muntu. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngilate kodwa laba engihlala nabo ngibashiya endlini. And akekho umuntu ongilandelayo. And angiboni umuntu esibayeni noma sebeqedile ukubala. Shuthi ngangenzani kodwa ngeMonday. But yeah, guys, isn't it pretty? Like Aibo, this would be a great spot for content, Jim. Well, I was right. I'm definitely late, and they have started counting, and I'm still walking. Sesiyenzile i-pre-assessment requirements are carried out in accordance with relevant
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe
Job. Good morning, guys. It's so early, and I am walking outside Gules Twatishnji just to get my hair done. Because if I postpone it, then I won't have time to do it tomorrow. You know, tomorrow's church, come back from church, clean, cook, pack, and leave. I won't have time, so I genuinely wanted to do my hair this weekend. And I have the means to do it, so I am gonna do it right now, and it's like 7 a.m. So I am done, and I am rushing back home because like literally my mom is shouting at me right now. But okay, she didn't have a color of my foundation. Normally this is too dark, so segu vela gabi. So yeah, just gonna go quickly change and leave.
Wenzeni? Ividiyo le. Shabo mambo.
Hi guys, it is many days later. I'm at the office today because I need to finish off my reports. I need to see a way forward with this report because right now, this is the kind of situation right now. So I need to fix it so I can leave. It's been nice, but it's time to go. Yeah guys, so I'm just here to close off this vlog. Anyway, thank you for watching. I realized most of the vlogs I've posted, I don't really close them. I don't know if you get it. So I'm just here to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for another video. Maybe from now on I'm gonna be very consistent because reality is about to hit. I'm about to add on to the unemployment rate of South Africa. But hopes and prayers that I don't and I get something very soon. But anyway, guys, ooh, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And please come back for the next one. Oh, and guys, it was snowing. I know I've dragged this vlog way too long. It was snowing for the first time ever in my whole entire life. I'm a 23-year-old and I've never experienced snow. So it was quite an amazing experience, even though I'm getting a flu, but it was really nice.